Hello guys. In this video, I will share with you the best site to get ready-made mockups templates. The name of the site is Placeit. It is a platform belonging to the famous site Envato, as you can see. The site contains several categories: mockups, designs, logos, videos, gaming. Each of these categories contains subcategories. If we put the mouse in mockups, a menu will appear. Highlights apparel, digital print, print on demand. We will choose the mockups for the t-shirt. As you can see, there are several sections that help you make filtering. There are several templates. You can put your own design on it. The site does not only contain images, but you can make your design on a video as well. As you can see, I have seen several sections. For example, I will choose a template for Instagram. And the nice thing is that you can filter across gender and ages. I will choose this template to put my design on it. This page will appear to you containing two buttons, the first to upload your design in the front, and the second to upload a design to the person's back. I will try to upload one of my designs. After uploading the design, you must wait for the design to be included in the video. You can also see a great result. The design looks like it's part of the video. To watch the video, press the play all button. You have to wait a few seconds for it to run. After the video processing is finished, you can see your design inside the video. As you can see, the result is amazing. To download the video, just click on the download button. To download one design, you will need to pay $9, but I advise you to sign up for a monthly subscription of only $14 and download a large number of ready-made templates. In the annual and monthly plan, you can also benefit from an unlimited number of logos and designs, as well as videos. But if you want to create videos continuously, you can subscribe to the annual plan for $89. After choosing your subscription, you can create an account and then continue the payment process. It's a really great site. I hope you leave your experience with the site in the comment box if you haven't subscribed yet. I put the subscription link for you in the description.